Hello, I'm Janelle from the Office of Student Assistance and Relief, better known as OSAR. As part of the Bureau for Private Post-Secondary Education, OSAR offers a wide array of services, including assistance for students researching colleges and accreditors, and providing information on workforce and veteran programs. But a big part of our job is to protect students who attend private post-secondary educational institutions, or more simply put, for-profit colleges, especially those who have been victims of a school closure. Thank you for watching our Close School workshop today. I know the closing of a school can be a confusing and stressful event for students. Circumstances are different for every student, and that's why OSAR offers free individualized assistance to students of closed schools to provide information to help you make an informed decision about your next steps. Here's how you can continue your education and protect your financial future. Your number one priority is to obtain your academic and financial records as soon as possible. If your school hasn't closed yet, you'll want to get your records from the school, including your academic transcripts. These are records that show what classes you've taken and how many credits you've earned. Your student financial records. This is the record of all payments made to the school. Any proof of training documents. You'll need these if you're applying for professional licensure later on. Your enrollment agreement. This is your official contract with the school that shows the dates you were enrolled and what you agreed to pay. These records are necessary if you plan to transfer to a new school, ask for a student loan discharge from the United States Department of Education, or submit a claim to the state's Student Tuition Recovery Fund, which I'll talk about a little later in the presentation. If your school has already closed and you don't have access to some or all of these documents, don't stress. Schools are required by law to name a person or another school as custodian of records. OSAR can help you determine the custodian of records for your school. Next, explore the options that align with your ultimate educational goal. If you want to continue your education, you may have the option to participate in a teach-out or a transfer. Let's talk about these options. A teach-out is a contract that your school signs with another school, so you can complete your program at that school at no additional cost to you. Your school may not offer a teach-out, but if it does, OSAR can help you ensure that the teach-out program follows state regulations. The next option is a transfer. A transfer means you're taking your academic credits or clock hours earned at the school and moving them to another school with a similar program. With a transfer, you may incur additional costs, and you'll have to contact the new school to find out if any of the credits you want to transfer will be accepted. If they don't, OSAR can help you through the process of applying for financial relief for the credits the new school won't accept. A teach-out or transfer program may not work out for you, and you may decide to go for financial reimbursement. Let's talk about those options. If you have a federal loan, OSAR can give you more information on filing for a federal loan discharge. These loans are serviced by the Department of Education. If you have a commercial or private loan, contact your loan servicer and ask them about the option to cancel your loan. If your servicer doesn't offer a loan cancellation option, you can apply for the Student Tuition Recovery Fund, which I'll come back to in a moment. If you made payments to your school with a credit card, you may be able to dispute the charges with your credit card company and request that the charges be reversed. Here's an important takeaway. Most of the time, a loan discharge is not automatic with the closure of a school. The bottom line is to contact your loan servicer and ask them to discharge your loan. If your loan can't be discharged, or if you paid out of pocket for your education, you can apply for the state's Student Tuition Recovery Fund, also known as STRF. STRF is a state relief fund offered to California residents or students who were living in California at the time of their enrollment in the program. STRF is administered by OSAR. Don't disqualify yourself before contacting OSAR. You should apply for STRF even if you're not sure you qualify or if you're missing documents. OSAR can help you determine your eligibility. You can find the STRF application on our website, as well as a video that will walk you through each step of the application. STRF claims must be submitted in hard copy to the address on the STRF application. Obviously, this is a lot to think about, but don't feel rushed to make a decision about your educational future. You have up to 4 years from the date of your school closure to apply for financial relief from STRF. You have time to figure out the educational goal that makes most sense for you. Let's review. Request your documents. Think about your options. Teach out if one is offered, transfer, loan discharge, or apply to STRF. Take your time and explore your options, and reach out to OSAR. We're here to help you. Thank you for attending our Close School workshop. Don't think of this workshop as your only chance to get information. Think of it as the beginning of your partnership with OSAR. If you have questions, call 916-574-7586 or visit www.osar.bppe.ca.gov.